What's up, guys? All good? It's your boy Henry back again with another review to help you make smart decisions before you buy anything. Today, I've got something pretty cool lined up for you, a deep dive into the all-day slimming tea. Now, before you click that add to cart button, I've got some super important info and a few warnings that you really don't want to miss. So make sure you stick around till the end, or you might just be throwing your money down the drain. Let's get into it. First things first, here's a big heads up. If you decide to buy this tea, you have to be careful where you get it from. There are a lot of fake sites out there trying to scam you, and the real deal is only available on the official website. To make life easier for you, I've dropped the link to the official site down in the video description and pinned it in the first comment. Don't fall for any tricks, just use that link. Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about what you came here for. Does all-day slimming tea really work? I've been using it, and I'm here to share everything. No sugarcoating, just the real deal. Let's break it down. What is all-day slimming tea? So, what exactly is all-day slimming tea? Well, it's not your typical herbal tea. This stuff is a 100% natural blend that promises to help you lose weight, boost your energy, and even improve your sleep. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But let's dig into the details. Benefits, why it's worth trying. Here is why people are raving about it. Healthy weight loss. It supports fat burning naturally, without any harsh chemicals. Metabolism boost, helps keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Craving crusher, if you're like me and get those midday snack attacks, this tea helps reduce that. Better digestion, no more bloating or feeling sluggish after meals. Detox support, it helps your body flush out those nasty toxins. Enhance sleep, say goodbye to tossing and turning at night. This tea has ingredients that help you relax and get better rest. Ingredients, what's inside? Now, let's talk ingredients because that's what makes this tea special. Green tea and oolong tea, superstars for boosting metabolism. Ginseng root, keeps your energy levels high. Garcinia cambogia, helps block fat production and reduces your appetite. Ginger, dandelion leaves, fennel, these guys keep your digestion on point and reduce bloating. Senna leaves and licorice root, detox warriors that help cleanse your body. Peppermint and cinnamon bark, perfect for improving sleep and reducing stress. How to use. To really get the benefits, you should drink it daily. The morning tea gives you that energy kick and keeps cravings in check, while the evening tea helps you detox and sleep like a baby. It's super easy to work into your routine, just make it a part of your morning and evening rituals. Real people, real results. And don't just take my word for it, check out what some happy customers had to say. Patricia, I've got so much more energy, and I've already lost 23 pounds in just 5 weeks. Rhonda, I was amazed. In 9 weeks, I dropped 39 pounds, no joke. Adrian, my life has completely changed. My cravings are gone, and I'm down 13 pounds already. So, if you're serious about reaching your health and wellness goals, the all-day slimming tea is definitely worth a shot. Over 18,000 people have already made it part of their daily routine and are loving the results. Why not be the next success story? Click the link in the description to get yours today. Alright, guys, that's it for this review. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews just like this one. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.